Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by enabling Stage Manager so the system can manage windows for you. Open System Settings, go to Desktop and Dock and toggle Stage Manager on. Choose whether thumbnails show recent windows or only app icons. Once enabled, position the dock and set Show Desktop Behavior to match your workflow. This first step prepares macOS to rearrange windows automatically, so make sure you've saved any work and understand thumbnails will appear at the left side. Now organize your workspace by creating groups and focused bundles. Drag one window onto another app's thumbnail to form a group, or click an app icon to summon its windows. This keeps related tasks together. Use Command plus Tab to switch apps and Mission Control to glimpse all spaces without breaking a group. Resize and snap windows within a group for optimal layout, aiming for 2 to 6 apps per bundle, so performance stays smooth and you keep visual focus on key tasks. Finish by refining behavior and knowing how to troubleshoot. Tweak thumbnail size and dock placement in Desktop and Dock to reduce clutter, and test how full-screen apps interact with groups. If layouts act oddly, toggle Stage Manager off then on to reset positions. A quick app restart or a reboot can fix persistent glitches. If a specific app won't behave, check for updates or try running it in a different space. Keep these steps handy so you can maintain a tidy, focused workspace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.